Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. We have smashed 2,000 subscribers, and I am so incredibly grateful. The only reminder, there is a pinned comment down below with timestamps so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. Today we have another quick DIY install video. I ordered some BougeRV Tesla Model 3 interior LED light upgrades. And I'm going to link it right here. So this is just a generic pack of 4 compatible lights for Tesla Model S, X, or 3. They can be placed anywhere. They can be put in the front, in the trunk, the puddle lights, in the glove box, basically anywhere in the vehicle that there is an LED light, except for this roof here. So we're going to figure out where we want to put these, and I'll show you just how to install them and how much better they make the lighting situation wherever we do install them. I'm thinking the front, the trunk, the glove box, and maybe the center console. But this sounds interesting to you. Make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you shortly. Frunk. Where are they? That was stupid. Okay. Oh, that easy close is so nice. All right, so inside of the package, they give you this really nice pry tool. Give you some instructions, the Model X, or Tesla Model S and Model 3, same thing. So I guess it tells you where you can install them. I'm not so sure about the front, but I guess we'll look into that a little bit more. But I'm thinking the trunk and maybe the Footwells. So these are pretty easy to install. You just pop out the OEM light, unplug it, plug in the BougeRV light, and then push it back into place. And this prying tool should make it pretty easy to do, hopefully. Here, it's still daylight outside because I want to get these installed during the daylight, but I also want to show you how dim things are previously. So the Footwell lights are on right now. Yeah, they are on. It is very dim. You can hardly tell that they are on. Same with the driver's side here. So we're also going to take a look in the trunk here. So it kind of barely looks like they're even on. You can kind of tell with the reflection on this screwdriver. We're going to do the install, and I'll show you how much brighter everything is going to be afterwards. I am in love with these carbon fiber upgrades. They are amazing. Also, the scissors from 1942 have returned. They come in packages of 2, 4 in the box, 2 in each little package. The ones that we're going to be dealing with are, there is a light right up here, and then there's a light right over here. Of course, I forgot the prying tool inside the car, so we're going to go get that. Ta-da! All right, so looking at the lights, they do look like they have the OEM connectors. You guys can kind of see how bright they are. There is a little notch right on the edge of all of these, pretty uniform, so we're just going to pop the pry tool in there. Okay, so I've determined that this pry tool, while it is nice, it's insufficient. So a flathead screwdriver will serve you much better. So we're gonna get this guy popped out. There's a little notch on the side there, and it just pops right off. These have the exact same connectors, and there's a little bit of leeway on these cables as well. So right in here, there's a little lever that you can just press down on and hopefully pull out. Yes. Okay, there should be a 1-to-1 if it fits. Ah, yes. All right, and now it should just pop right back in. All right, those are infinitely brighter than the OEM ones. We'll get this one installed and have both of them in. Those are so much brighter. I cannot wait to see these in action. So now we're gonna move on to the Footwells, I think. Let's do those. Yeah, the Footwells sound good to me. I feel like this is gonna be hard to shoot in point of view. Really need to vacuum in here, apparently. So the passenger side Footwell light is right here. It is the exact same process. Okay, as always, it is the exact same connection. So you just pop down on this lever and pop it out. Okay. New light, plug it in. Okay. Oh my gosh. You can just immediately see how much brighter these are, which is very nice. Okay, and then just pop it back in place. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the driver's side. Very odd spot to work. Okay, and this is where it takes some force. Just push it on in. That is it. So now we're going to show you the difference in the darkness versus the... All right, so we are back in the garage. We got the BougeRV lights installed, and you can just immediately see how much brighter these are. Oh my gosh, it is so bright in here. This is awesome. All right, so there we have it. We got the BougeRV LED lighting upgrades installed in the Tesla Model 3. Not a very difficult installation, just pretty awkward, especially if you're trying to film it for a YouTube video. One of the things that I really liked is that the OEM connectors fit in the connection on these BougeRV lights. One thing I would like to go over is, after looking at everything, I feel like the places that you can install it aren't as many as they said there were. Obviously, we have it in the Footwells. We have them in the trunk. Don't think you can install them in the front. There's no lights up there besides the emergency release, and these are not the same size. You can put them in the puddle lights, and I think you can replace in the main portion of the center console, but good luck getting to that light. Those are the places that I see. There's a few places that I think they advertise, but it is a crossover for the Model 3 and the Model S, so it could be just combined. But keep that in mind that all of them aren't always going to work on the Model 3. These are phenomenal. They're a great product. They're really bright. They're 30 bucks on Amazon. Not too bad. You get a 4-pack and you can really put them wherever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I have a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video.